Ginger Crown Curls, and today I have a twist out video for you all. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video if you must with anybody, and also turn on your notification bell. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved these results, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I started off with freshly washed hair and I already started twisting up the rest of my hair. And now I'm going to take the section I have left and split that into two. I'm doing medium-sized twists because that's how I get the most definition. I then take my detangle brush, which I bought from Checkers, and then I'm going to start detangling that section. I'm going to be doing the LCO method. I don't have a specific method I use to moisturize my hair, but I do whatever I feel like doing at the time. The LCO method or the LOC method. I'll elaborate more on this in another video. Okay, so now when I'm done after detangling the section, for my L, I'm using a leave-in conditioner for my leave-in, and then for my C, I'm going to use my curling cream, and for my O, I'm going to use an oil to keep my hair moisturized throughout the week. So I'm just going to make sure that all the product is equally distributed through the length of my hair. You just want to make sure you don't use too much of the product. It will leave a white residue, but as it dries, it will disappear. You won't see any residue and it won't leave any what is this, white cast? Yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm going to start with the twisting process, and I hope you guys understand what I am trying to say. If you don't, just look closely at what I'm doing. So for the twists, I'm going to take that section and split it into two. I then twirl the hair around my finger and allow it to twist, and then make it cross each other. So twist the strands and then make those strands cross each other. You twist the strands and then you make it cross each other. Make sure to make sure to twist it tight so that it doesn't unravel while twisting. And then when you get to the end of your twist, you want to comb it down as you twist to avoid any bumps and lumps for like a smooth finish. Okay, so when you're twisting, you want to make sure you avoid like borrowing from other strands, just because when you unravel it, it's going to make it harder. And if you unraveled tangled strands, you're going to ruin the definition. So yeah, try to avoid that. So as you can see, I am just now going to start coiling my ends. And yes, that's how I do it. Then for my last section, firstly I'm going to detangle until the comb glides through, apply my leave-in, my cream and my oil, distribute it evenly throughout the length of my hair, And then I'm gonna split that section into two and start twisting up my hair. Like I said before with the other twist, you're going to split it into two, twirl it around your finger, and then make it cross. Twirl, cross, twirl, cross, twirl, cross. When you're done with all your twists, allow it to air dry. And at night when you're tired, put your satin bonnet on and go to sleep. I keep my twists in for like 2 days until it's like 100% dry. I don't unravel my hair if it isn't dry because it's gonna come out frizzy and I don't want that. Okay, so next my hair is 100% dry and this is like 2 days later. So I'm going to start unraveling my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is nice and juicy. So I'm going to take this hair serum I bought from Clicks and I'm going to just use that to just give my twists a little shine. So I'm going to start unraveling my hair from the bottom up like so, and then I'm going, before that guys, can you guys see that definition? Look at the definition, hunty, it's beautiful, it's everything. That's what every crown girl needs when she does a twist out. Okay, so with unraveling the twists, twist the hair in the opposite direction and then start splitting the hair where it naturally separates to keep the definition. Or you can split it anyhow if you want more volume. Okay, so now I'm going to use my afro comb to pick my roots. And this is just to give it a little bit more volume. It also helps to get rid of all the parting lines that you can see. Yeah, I would say this is an extremely important step if you want to achieve a full, voluminous, defined twist out. Okay, so after this, you'll see the end result after fluffing out my hair, but you can fluff and pick out your hair as much as you want to, depending on how big you want your hair. I like to leave it like this on day one, and it will go bigger as the days go on. I don't know if you can tell, but I clearly need a trim because my ends are dry, but we move on. But I'm quite happy with how it turned out. After this, you can style it however you want to. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Dim, dim. Good, it's me. Vicky, guys, Vicky. Face of beats and everything, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my lashes are the ghetto. But it's okay, we're getting there. Like, I'm getting there, guys. Look at this. I'm getting there. Guys, look at my face. I am within. I'm within. It's in.